me, Kufu again, and I'm playing Roblox with my friend. So I'm just video calling with him right now. Hello. He's probably gonna make some noise during the video, but it's okay. Now my Roblox is a little slow, so we have to wait. Yeah. Wait, what just happened? Okay. Oh, okay. Roblox is here. Okay, I'm joining the server, Cat. Is random guy online? I don't know. Okay, that's just one of my friends on Roblox. Okay.
I don't know it's not working.
Why?
Hey, well. I don't know.
Okay. Let's play. Okay, I'm just gonna go to training right away. I'm going. Wait, this guy said I'm gonna tell Blank to shut down all the users. Oh, wait. Why? I'm gonna text him why. I'm doing the reaction, if you guys know that.
Yes.
It's so easy. Oh, I make it, Cat. Okay. Whee! I made it! Ken, are you in the game? No, you're not. Oh, that's a good one. Okay, red, okay. So I'm gonna start this video off by doing a little training. Now I'm gonna go to the easy. Cat, I'm gonna go to the easy, okay? You're not in the game. I still want to play Roblox. Oh, is that the real girl? No, that's not. Okay, I'm going to the easy. I'm gonna spectate easy. So I'm gonna spectate this guy. Oh, okay. So we're spectating this girl right here. What? Oh, you're so cute. Okay, so she's going. Oh, I do this one before, and it's so easy if you just know what to do. Yeah, press that. Oh, don't fall in the trap there, girl.
I'm hacking.
Okay. You're not hacking. Kent, did you already... Okay, never mind. So, wait. So they're on the code level. I have 4 wins so far. Come on.
I have 24.
Yeah, you're better than me. Oh, okay. Come on. They're gonna get it because the water... This is easy. Oh, come on! This girl's so bad. The water's gonna flood. Okay, come on. Go before the... Okay. So now, this is me. I'm jumping. I have the neck protect. By the way, if you guys want to friend me, my username is lay4021 or coral_aqua_fairy. I'm just gonna climb on this ladder and wait. Oh, the game is ready. Ken, I'm in the game now. Oh, this one. Oh, these guys have gravity coils, which makes it easier for them to, like, okay, I don't know what to do, because I've never played this before. I mean, I just died. I'm so bad. Oh my god, Kent, you have such a big mouth. Kent, you joined the game already.
Not yet. I'm not in the game yet. I'm not in the Roblox yet.
Why?
I don't know. My game is glitching, I think.
Oh, this guy and me are going to the hard.
Hard is so hard. I already played. But I won one.
Wait, how do we go there? I lose already. What?
My game is not working.
Why? Wait, close your tablet and then open it again. How about like that, Kat?
I'm not clear.
I'm going to the easy. I need like 8 wins. This guy. This girl. This girl from the last one. Okay, she's doing a pretty good job, but the thing is that she's going the wrong way, so. And she's glitching for some reason. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Come on, you have to go up there. Okay, she doesn't know what to do. Okay. Yeah, she just died. Okay. Intermission! Okay, I'm just gonna climb up here and wait for the oh. I found a secret room. Well, it's not actually secret. Okay, my screen is glitching. Okay. Ken, are you in the game? Which one is this? Oh, this one. Passed the first level already. I like the music. Oh, you're so cute. Come on. Oh, I like this guy with the cute cat face. Is everybody in here? I think so. Power required. Oh, this one. Okay. I know this one. It's just really hard to do. And it's so okay. Now we have to go here. Now we have to go here. We have to go here. Then here. Then here. Oh no! Hey, I almost died. Oh, the music is intense. Okay, I want to play Super Bomb Survival next. Okay, after this round, I'm going to end the game. Come on, guys, press the button. Oh, that girl's just going for it. Guys, you need to press the button. That's the shake. So hot, so hot. Okay. Oh, that girl was smart. I'm just gonna. Okay, that girl was really smart. She just jumped from there to there, and that's just like so easy. Okay. I received 5 points for that. You guys can't see that. So. Oh, is that full already? I'm just gonna wait for these guys to finish. Cat, why are you? Okay, I'm gonna spectate this girl. Okay, they already made it. Okay. Oh, okay. Intermission. I'm gonna stop spectating. I have headphones on, so I can't hear you. 1. Let's start the easy game. Okay. Come on. Oh. Which one is this? Oh, it's this one. Hate this one. Oof. No, 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 no. I just died because I missed the jump. Hi, Kent. Are you in Roblox now, Kent? Okay, I got 0 point stats. Okay,
No.
I'm gonna go to the training, and then after I do the training, I'm gonna end the video. So I'm gonna do the agility because actually I'll do the code cracker. Does the door close? I think it does. Wait, what if I do like this? Does the door close? Don't does it? Okay, I'm not gonna do the code cracker because that's kind of hard for me sometimes. So I'm just gonna do the reaction. Get ready. Okay, red. That's the easiest one because that's like the most common one. Oof, yellow. Okay, I did it. Come on, hurry up. Yellow again. Okay. At least I survived. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna end the video right here, right now. So guys, I just played Flood Escape by Crazy Blocks. And thanks for watching. Bye!